We are at this place that is the Aparna City exhibition. Sorry, there's a lot of light, and this is as cute as it is. Yeah, my God, this is the first time I'm seeing something like this in Hyderabad. Basically, it's a real estate exhibition, I think. But yeah, here it's a regular thing. But look at how cute it is. It's seriously nice. Like, wow. It's worth visiting, yeah. I mean, normally my child, he's in the frame. But this is how it is. This is so cute. I would highly recommend it for people because it's totally worth visiting.